Hey, it's Anna from Studio Bressi, and today I want to show you how to add a contributor to your website and give someone permission to review, edit, and maintain your site. From your main desktop navigation, find the gear icon at the bottom for settings, and then find permissions and ownership. You'll see I'm currently listed as the owner of the website, and if you click Invite Contributor, here is where you can invite others and give them access to the areas relevant to their work. You'll need to add their name and email address to invite them, and then you can select which permissions you want them to have. So they can be an administrator, they can have access to your billing, they can have access to analytics, store management, email campaigns, scheduling. So it's really flexible depending on the role that you want your contributor to have. You can also just add a basic author for your blog and you can fill their profile without them giving the access to the full site. So you can just add their image, fill out their name and details. So this is a perfect option for guest bloggers. Once your contributor accepts their invitation, you can always remove it or you can change the permissions. If you have any questions or need help, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help.